For decades, India's growth was often held back not by a lack of ambition but by a lack of infrastructure. Roads ended before villages began. Freight moved slowly, cities struggled with congestion, and logistics costs made Indian businesses less competitive. But over the last 12 years, India has witnessed one of the largest infrastructure transformations in its history. This has not simply been about building roads or bridges. It has been about building opportunities. Today, India's road network stretches over 63.7 lakh kilometers, making it the second largest in the world. Every new highway connects farmers to markets, workers to jobs, and businesses to new possibilities. The PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan brought together 16 ministries onto a single digital platform, ensuring that highways, railways, ports, airports, and industrial corridors are planned as one integrated ecosystem instead of isolated projects. Already projects worth over rupees 16.1 lakh crore have been evaluated through this platform. Railways, the lifeline of India, have undergone a historic modernization. Today, 99.2% of India's broad-gauge railway network stands electrified, reducing costs and making transportation cleaner and faster. Indian Railways carried over 741 crore passengers in 2025 alone. Modern stations, dedicated freight corridors, Vande Bharat trains, and engineering marvels like the Chenab Bridge, the world's highest railway bridge, symbolize a new era of connectivity. Urban India has transformed as well. A decade ago, metro rail was limited to a handful of cities. Today, with over 1,095 kilometers of operational metro lines, India has the world's third largest metro network, changing the way millions commute every day. The digital infrastructure revolution has been equally extraordinary. Internet connections have increased by nearly 300% since 2014, crossing 100 crore connections. FASTag has digitized highway travel with over 12.23 crore tags issued, reducing waiting times and making logistics more efficient. Behind this physical transformation lies a powerful economic story. India has nearly tripled capital expenditure in just a few years, recognizing that every rupee invested in infrastructure creates jobs, boosts productivity, and fuels long-term growth. GST reforms and better logistics have doubled average truck travel distances, reducing costs and making Indian businesses more competitive globally. Power infrastructure has expanded rapidly too. India's installed power capacity has reached over 520 gigawatts, supporting industries, households, and the nation's growing aspirations. Even power distribution companies, once burdened with losses, have returned to profitability. This infrastructure boom is visible not just in numbers but in everyday life because infrastructure is the foundation upon which a Viksit Bharat is being built. Over the last 12 years, India has not merely constructed assets. It has built the pathways to a stronger economy, a more connected society, and a future where development reaches every citizen.